Hello kids, in this video we are going to this is the first time that we're gonna touch the elastic beanstalk. So here we got an elastic beanstalk, right? Um, yeah, so this one is easily deploy your web applications in minutes. Is an easy to use service for deploying and scaling web applications and services deployed with Java.net, Docker. Yeah. Oh man. Let us first uh yeah, let us first commit this and then push. Then now we are going to inside the elastic beanstalk direct territory. So mkdir elastic beanstalk. All right, elastic beanstalk. And then in the elastic beanstalk we need a .NET. Do we have a .NET here? .NET. Yeah, oh no, we don't have. Okay, so sudo. Yeah, we'll install a .NET in our Linux. Install .NET. Um, Ubuntu 2204. Right, so these are the instructions used. Install the. This article discusses how to install .NET on Ubuntu. Alright, supported version. Install .NET. Alright, so copy that and paste that baby girl. Right, so it's gonna install our .NET. Jump updates. Alrighty. Let's wait for it. Install the runtime next. Okay, so while waiting for it to install, I am not gonna cut this off. Okay, so let's read some news. Mga cellphone, SIM card at laptop na pinaniniwalaang ginamit sa scam nakita sa pugad ng umano'y cybercrime. Nice. Hope that I can have how to do this cybercrime thing, but yeah, I'm just so dumb to do it. I don't have enough knowledge to do cybercrime. Great, so we got it installed. Let's go to install the runtime. Right, so let's install the runtime and then let us. What's this? I don't know what that is, but let's install it. It's from the Microsoft page. Right, so we got it. We got it. We got it. .NET. Yeah, we do have a .NET now. mkdir. Let us create a new one. This is a new project. eb.net for elastic beanstalk.net and then .NET new API. Is it API or new web API? Yeah, web API. .NET new web API. It's gonna create a .NET application. Right, so we got it installed, but before everything goes haywire, let's go to our here Let us the elastic beanstalk. In the get ignore, we want to ignore all .NET files. Get 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 ignore all .NET files in directory and subdirectories. Uh, um, I'm not sure if this is sufficient. We want to ignore a lot of .NET things. Um, so this is someone. Can we? I will try to. Yeah. I think that OBG like that. Like that. I forgot how to. Or we can just specify it. The path as beanstalk ab.net obg. Yep. Yeah, I think that's enough. Maybe later we want to uh, ignore the bin. Okay, so let's try that. Let's commit that. So that one is committed, and let us go back to our uh, here. Let's go to elastic beanstalk, and then let's go to eb.net, and then let's .net run. We .net run that baby girl. Then it's going to run, and it will generate a bin, which is now ignored by our get, which is good. All right, so let us open this code and go to our controller. Try to install this. Installing. Now I think I've forgotten how to code in .NET. Let us create a controller. Let's try .cs. And then let us copy and paste this one here, and then let's change some names. So planets. So the logger here, this one here, logger. Then let us public async just name this http get return var or list of string that is going to be planets is equals to new list of string, which is Mercury. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Alright, then we're gonna return this baby girls, alright, baby girls, and then let us remove this. Let's see if we still have our .NET C Sharp skills. Oops, what did I remove? Yeah, this one. We'll remove this. Okay, so let us try again. Let us .NET run. Now fix build errors expected here in line 28 in planets. So go to planets, line 28. Yeah, this one here. Okay, so it's okay. That's all right. C sharp is a bit strict. Right. So the name, the type of namespace name async cannot be found. Async task I action result. Yeah, can we go that? This async method lacks a wait. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just don't do that. What else? What are the other errors? Oh man, cannot implicitly convert type chain to result. Ah, yeah. Okay, let's do this again. Then we want to have an okay here. Then planets. Can we do that? Yeah, we can do that. But let us just remove this because we are not awaiting anything. Right, so let us open this. Oops. Copy, run that. And then let us put that here. Then let us API planets. What is our API? Yeah, no, it should just be planets without the API. It should just be planets. So we now have our planets. Right, so we want to deploy this using our elastic beanstalk. All right, which is this will be the first time that we're gonna um, use this thing. So elastic beanstalk, create application, web server. All right, name JX elastic beanstalk. Um, elastic beanstalk. All right. Additional tags, environment name, domain, leave blank for auto-generated value, environment description, manage platform, choose a platform, .NET Core on Linux. Okay, recommended, sample application, upload your code, label, what's this? Source code, origin, local file. Well, it's a local file, upload. We want to zip this, right? We want to zip this. Right, so here, how do we zip? How do we zip in Linux? Um, Linux Ubuntu 22.04 zip file. How to zip a folder on Ubuntu. Alright, how to zip a folder in Ubuntu. Do we have this? We should have this. Install zip. Let us zip the thing, and then we want to zip a file. We want to check first if we have the zip version. We have the zip installed. Yep, we do have the zip. We do have, right? Yep, we have. Then what is the utilization of zip utility? Example, ls, right? And then ls. Okay, so zip. Okay, so let's go. So zip. What if we just copy and paste this? Copy that and put that in our elastic beanstalk. Let's just add a readme dot md here, so like that. Then we will name this eb.net, and the file is eb.net. Alright, so let us zip that. So that was already zipped, I guess. So we have that zip. Okay, let us. Okay, so we have that zip. We now want to upload the file. Go to our home. This one. Go to repos, and then this one, Elastic Beanstalk. Then this one, right? And before we forget, we might as well here. We don't want to. We want to ignore. We want to ignore our zip file. All that zip file. Can we do that? Yep. So we got that ignored, and we have that uploaded. Free tier eligible. Then let's click next. We have error. Label is eb.net label. Unique name for this version of your application. Click next. Use an existing service rule. What's this? Choose an existing service rule. Assume service rule. The existing item rule must have a unique item rule. Great. Yeah, can we do that? ES instance rule. No, we don't have. Don't use that. How can we? How can we clear that? Yeah, just use. Yeah, this one. Key pair. Select using key pair to securely log into AC2 instances. Yeah, we already deleted that. So instance profile. Are this required? Or can we create? Can we just add this later? Right. So let's just create this VPC. All right. Let's use the default VPC activated public. What's this? Assign a public IP address. Availability. Sorry, just one, man. Choose a database. Can I just one or all? Or maybe just all? Choose a database. Subnet. Nope. Enable database. Snapshot. Nope. Nope. We don't want anything. Storage. Nope. Next. Invalid option, service name, launcher. What? Stone VPC. T3. What? Previous. Choose an environment. Let's do this again, right? Create a new application, web server, JX, Elastic, Beanstalk. Alright, choose a platform. This one, platform. You know, it's free tier. Um, this one, key pair instance profile. Next, create a custom VPC activated. Um, this VPC. Launch your environment in a custom VPC instead of default VPC. You can create a VPC in subnet instance activated. All, or can we just use this one? Right, so next. Okay, so we got that security group. Let's just use the default one. Single instance on demand. Alright, T2, T3 soon. Choose instance. Just T2. Can we just use T2? T2 small. The next. What's this? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Right, so that's it. That should be it. Submit. Elastic Beanstalk. It's using the Nginx. Elastic Beanstalk is launching your environment. This will take a few minutes. How many minutes? We don't know. Right. Um, Sometimes I just wish I'm already rich so that I can just play around with this. But what's the point of studying this if you already have money, right? Oh man, life is complicated, man. Life is complicated. Failed to launch environment. Environment must have instance profile associated with it. Okay, so yeah, so let's go back and edit. Can we edit this? Can we stop this? Stop. Must have instance profile. So if you want an instance profile, how do we do that? Could you run into, could you run into, could you go run into me? Where would you go, where would you go? Instance traffic and scaling. Don't you know, don't you, what you do and you to do to me? Forever is a long, long time and I lost your way. Trying to go down, see all that sorry, but you're so good. And it says you with monitoring alarm target. Configuration, health alarm. Right, so maybe we can delete this first and then let's how can we delete this? Delete, terminate configuration, restore environment. What? Hey, 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 what is an instance profile? It's an instance profile in AWS. Instance profile is a container for allows the instance to securely access AWS resources and their services without requiring any individual IAM user. When you create an instance profile, you associate an IAM rule with it, which defines the permissions the EC2 instance will have. These permissions determine what actions the instance is allowed to perform. Go back to our elastic beanstalk. What's this? We just want to terminate this. Can we terminate this? Restore environment. Are you sure you want to restore? Restore. Cannot rebuild. Then how can I delete this? Delete application. Can we delete this or yeah, just delete this. Then let's create a new one. to delete. Right, so environments, they should be deleted as well. No more application. Why is this still here? We want to delete this. Right, so let's create a new application. So this is JXEB02, then create. Oh, what are we doing here? Um, Hold on, let us delete this again. Delete application. Man, why is this so hard? Create application. Right, so JBXEB JXEB03. Leave that environment name, availability, manage, platform.net, and then sample application, upload code from local. This one, version label, eb.net 03 preset. Yeah, that's one. So that is the service rule, key pair, later instance profile. What's this? View permission detail. Webstock web tier. We recommend the following trusted entities and manage be attached to the EC2 instance profile you choose. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. Okay, go to IAM console. Can we create from here? How to create instance profile. Go to IAM rule. Alright, so IAM rule. So these are the rules. Create the rules. Nope, not that one, I guess. um, Go to IAM management console, left rules, search for and click the rule you created in the previous step. Add instance profile. Alright, so we will first create an IAM rule. Alright, so let's go to rules, create a new rule. This is for AWS services, EC2, use cases for other services, API gateway, Elastic, this there, Elastic Beanstalk in here. Is there an Elastic Beanstalk? AWS certified. Elastic Beanstalk. Alright. Use cases for other Allow CLS admin to create and manage it on your behalf. On your behalf. Let's just use that. Right, so Elastic Beanstalk. Name, review, and create. Where's the name? This is the name. So this is the name. Right, so that's the name. Then we're going to view rule, and then where's the instance profile? So go to create an instance profile, go to IAM, go to rules, search for the click the rule you created previously in the permissions tab, add instance profile. So in the permissions tab, add an instance profile in here. So where's the instance profile? Go to rules and then search for that. Go to permissions, permission policies, info. Click this one. How do we add an instance profile here, man? Hi. This is IAM, right? Version 2. So I'm with the instance profile. How do we do it, man? How do we do it? EC2 instance profile. What's this? EC2 instance. ECS instance profile. Can we search that? ECS. ECS. Okay. So why is it that we don't have this? Okay, can we create a new one? This one for EC2 only. um, create policy. So the permissions that it needs is this Elastic AWS Elastic Beanstalk web tier. Right, so search. So right, so create policy. Next. What? Oh man. What do I am? Rules. Then create a rule. So EC2. Why did it hang? It's hanging. Where do we go from here? Na, 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 na. Select that. Oh man. Click next. Policies. This one. Nope. Right one. Then click next. Rule name JXEB. Um, rule. Then and then this one we need to add this statements. This statements. Add this one here. Or no, not that one. This is the permissions. Permissions. Alright, so this is the permissions. Add this here in the permissions. Cancel. Oh man, this is so hard. Next, then these are the permissions. Um, I think we can just continue this. So assume rule, and then let's go back here. Our elastic beanstalk. So refresh that. Now this one is here. So go here. In our JX EB, let's check the permissions. What is the permission of this elastic beanstalk? Um, yeah, let's just trust that. This one, VPC activated. Select only this one. Database is empty. Username, database. Next, we should only have T2. Volume, container, magnetic, SSD, container default. Default. Uh-oh. T2. T2 small. Then next. CloudWatch basic. Then activated instance replacement. If enabled, an instance replacement will be scheduled if no other updates are available. Enter an email address to receive a notification for important events. Percentage fixed to activate rolling updates. Nginx. We don't want all of this. Manage actions. What's this? Manage platform updates required enhance. Okay, okay. Sorry. So where is that enhance again? All right, this one. So next. Right. So we. What's this? It has a manage action option. Manage updates required enhance the system. Ah, why is this so hard? Option. Manage action. Hmm. Deep in my heart, I'm concealing. What's this? Option name. Option system is in man namespace as a health operating system. Hmm. I'm hungry. Right. So enhance. What's the error again? Um, Manage platform. Was it option? Invalid option specification namespace elastic manage actions option. Manage actions enabled. Option A, manage actions enabled. We disabled it already. Manage actions. Manage actions. Where's the manage actions? Manage platform updates require enhanced health reporting option. System type reporting system. Require manage require enhanced health reporting. So this is enhanced health reporting enhanced. Um, what else does it need? Right? Why you don't have to just check whatever is required, do deactivate it, ensure. Above specific database manage actions option name. Ah, this is so not good, man. I'll just delete this application and then let's create a new one. Okay, delete that. What's this? Oh, can we delete this? Let's create an application. Now let's go back to Elastic Beanstalk. Create an application again. This is going to be 04. Manage platforms maintained by Elastic Beanstalk. .NET. Upload version label local file .NET env the eb.net 04 single instance. This one, let's even service rule, key pair. We don't have a key pair. Instance profile. This is the instance profile. Next. VPC is this one. Activated this one. Enable database. Nope. Database settings. Storage. Tag. Add tag. Turn on volume. In instance metadata security group default. EC2 security group default. Capacity, auto scaling, fit comparison on demand, architecture, T2 small, T2 small, alright. AMI placement. Next is enhanced health reporting, provides free real-time health check, alright. Custom metrics. Added. Added. Allow extremely activated standard changes apply. Activated management of this apply platform updates automatically during a weekly maintenance windows that you choose. Percentage deployed Nginx. Next. There's an error. No error. Submit. Submitted. Next time we're going to create a MySQL or Postgres database with the Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, so but for now, let's just do our .NET and see what's going on in here. How long does it take for Elastic Beanstalk to complete? Say, let's see. Ask ChatGPT. How long does it take for Elastic Beanstalk to create to launch the application? Wow, it's launching your environment. It will take a few minutes. Okay, so the time it takes for AWS Elastic Beanstalk to launch an application can vary depending on several factors, including the complexity of the application, the size of the environment, and the region where the deployment is initiated. Generally, Elastic Beanstalk is designed to provide a fast and automated deployment process. The process of launching an application with Elastic Beanstalk typically involves several steps: package upload, environment creation, deployment, and configuration. Yeah. Hopefully, this will be launched now and launch now so that we can move on to other topics. Boom. We've been 57 minutes in this video now, and I'm hungry. Alright, so looks like it's all are good already. Environment health check has transitioned to pending initialization in progress, running for 29 seconds. There are no instances. What? Well, waiting for EC2 instances to launch. This may take a few minutes. All right. Alright, so I'm not sure how to delete this, how to delete an environment. How to delete an elastic beanstalk environment. Select the environment, terminate the environment, confirm the termination. Yeah, but the problem is I can't terminate that. Where would you go now? Alright, there's an error. Alright. Instance deployment. Your source bundle has a single .NET Core application. You must include a file with a runtime config.json suffix. The deployment failed. Alright. Command failed. Return. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we should have just um, added or set the sample app. We just rush into the battle, man. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Lesson learned. We should have created a or set the yeah. How do we stop this? Successfully launched now. Environment, create environment, which is with errors for emergency troubleshooting. Fill the command failed on instance. Return code. Instance deployment failed. For details, see. Okay, so let us delete our application. What's this? Restore terminal environment, delete application. Okay, so let's delete that. Okay, so let's create another application. Go to Elastic Beanstalk, create a new application. Alright, this one. JXEB05. Alright, and then let us this one, and then sample application. This one. Um, yeah, we'll create a key pair, or maybe we can do it later. VPC public. This one. Um, we will not add a database. Is it possible? Security group is this one, default. Capacity on demand, this one we will select the T2. And then enhance. Submit. Now we want to create a key pair. Or we can just maybe connect here using the instance connect. Oh. Where would you go now? Long ago, what am I thinking out loud? So suddenly, don't you know? Don't you do what you do to you do to me? Forever is a long, long time, and I lost your way. Waiting for EC2 instance, transition to pending, initialization in progress. There are no instances. Waiting for EC2 instance to launch. This may take a few minutes. How about we create a key pair? Where's the key pairs? Right, so here a key pair with an. I thought we already removed this. So let's delete that. Okay, let's create a new key pair. JX EB key pair. Right. BEM. Right, so this one is remove from history. Remove from history. Remove from history. Right, and then this one, what is the status? Instance deployment completed successfully. Now let's go to the domain. Now I get the thing, and then let us go to the instances, and let's go to the instance that the Elastic Beanstalk created. Let's go to connect, go to SSH, and let us SSH that. No, no. We don't have an SSH setup for that, so we will connect endpoint, connect. Yeah, we'll just use this one. We'll have to update the SSH authorized keys before we can SSH it, because there's no key pair that was set up initially when we created the environment. So it can connect apparently, so let's go to this one here. Instance connect and connect endpoint. Only endpoints that have completed connection process can be selected. What? What is our subnet, man? What is the subnet? So this is the subnet. Oops, where is that? That is the subnet. Create endpoint. So what's next? So this is the endpoint. Still pending. Belong with me. Right, so and VPC endpoint stuck to status. You see, hmm. All right, so Instance Connect is unable to connect to your instance. Ensure your instance network settings are configured correctly for Instance Connect. Formation C setup easy to Instance Connect. So you got it. You connect. All right. So this one still pending. I believe we can just delete this. So delete. We want to delete that, and then okay. So it's still creating. Should wait for it. Oh, while we're waiting for it, let us create another app. Let's go to Elastic Beanstalk, and then let us create our version 6 where it will um yeah, we're going to create another application. Let's call this version 6 JXEB06. Manage, and then .NET Linux sample code, and then let's go. And then yeah, choose that one, then this one, choose this, then this, choose this, so that we can connect to our Elastic Beanstalk um, using SSH, and we don't have to set up the instance connect. Next. Right, and we're gonna use the T2 small, T2 small, T2 small, right, T2 small. Then next, enhanced, activated. Right, next is, and then submit. Right, so it's creating. How about this one? How are you? How are you? Oh, it's available. So let's go to our Elastic Beanstalk. Go to our environments. No, not environments. Go to our EC2, and then let us go to the instance 05 that was created by the environment 05 of our Elastic Beanstalk. This one is already running. Let us connect to it. Let us connect using the instance connect endpoint, and this one should have that. Then let's connect 05 environment, establishing connection. We are now 1 hour and 17 minutes of our video, and there you go. Let us find our application. Where is it located now? Is it in home? Health web app. Easy. So this is the web app, but it's empty. Where is our code? But if it's deployed, it's already in a. Not, we can't view the source code here. Let's check the var. Where is it in var? Is it in app? Current. Yeah, I think this is one, right? Yeah, I think this is the one. So go to current, and then where is it? Yeah, this one, runtime config.json. Can we vim that .NET single app runtime? Okay, so it got this one, runtime options here. So we'll need to create this runtime config.json. Runtime config.json, and then we copy and paste that here. Can we format that? Okay, so this is in .NET 3.1, but our .NET is our JSON is already .NET 7. So let us quit this. Deps config, web config. So vim app settings. Sorry. Vim app settings dot JSON. Okay, so our app settings JSON, warning, information, alright, log services, warning. Yeah. So, yeah, we need this, I guess. The deps.json. Yeah. Runtime.config. Okay, we'll just study more of this in the future, but for now we can terminate all of these applications and let's take it from there. Yeah, did we disconnect already? Yeah, can we connect again? Let us update the root so that we'll see if it will get updated. Establishing connection, then go to var, then go to app, go to current, go to www root, and then vim index.html, and in here, um, yeah, we want to add here insert li, right, .NET test does elastic beanstalk, write and quit. And this one, yeah, .NET says does elastic beanstalk. Right, so that's it, kids. We are now going to delete this, or we'll delete our endpoint, delete this VPC endpoint, delete, and then we are going to terminate this one, or go to applications, then delete the application, delete that, and then this one also needs to be deleted. And then let's just wait for it to remove our environment. So here our recent environments is terminated, terminated, terminated. This one is terminated. This one, why is it not terminated here yet? And that should be it, guys. So if you go to instances, EC2, those should also be removed. Here, there should be no more. Yeah, those are being shut down. I believe the Elastic Beanstalk will also have cloud formation created. Let's go to cloud formation. Yeah, so this one deleting in progress. So that's it, kids. So till next time, we will discuss about what do we have here in our list. Cognitos. Okay, so that's it, guys. So thanks. Bye.